Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, it is Pixel Day 2025. I think a lot of people that ordered the Pixel got their devices today, which is August 28th at the taping of this video. But yes, don't adjust your screens. You do see the Pixel 10 Pro XL and Moonstone in front of you. So in this video, I'm going to try to do a quick unboxing, give you my first impressions of the device. We might even talk about should you upgrade, say from the Pixel 9 Pro XL. But let's get into it. Bam, I did get mine. I guess I got mine from T-Mobile. And couldn't pass up the deal that I got, so yeah. Let's see, don't get trolled by the box. Bam. Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Oh, okay. This is got some weight to it. You have your charging cable there. And then on there you have some pamphlets and stuff. You might be looking for a SIM tool remover. Womp, womp, womp. Yeah, I know. Sad day in the US when Google takes away the SIM card. They just have eSIM now, which is, that's whack, man. But that was a presentation. The unboxing so great. Yeah, it says it right there. Look, you no longer need a physical SIM card. They act like that's a good thing. Oh. My light right now makes this look like super gray. I like the color though. I do like the color. The only complaint I'm gonna say, just like this one, is that I don't like these shiny pieces. I mean the shiny whatever rails. But look at that. It's pretty much the same height. I know the power button and the Vine rocker is a little bit different, and the camera cutout you can see is a little bit wider too on the 10 Pro XL. But let's see if this bad boy has power. While that bad boy is starting up, let's go over some specs. So on the screen, you have a 6.8 inch. It's an LTPO OLED panel. They call it super something display. I mean, it's beautiful. You get a 5200 milliamp hour battery, 45 watt charging. They have what they call, one of the newest updates is Pixel Snap, which is basically what that is MagSafe for a Android phone. So I don't need a case anymore to do MagSafe, and watch this make a lie out of me. But there you go. You can use wireless accessories like this battery pack, other tools too that you can use without having a case with MagSafe in there. So Pixel Snap is, I guess, is the new thing. It does have the new Tensor G5 chip on there. I don't know how we're going to feel about that. It also comes with 256 gigs of storage, also 16 gigs of RAM. It has 512, and it also has a terabyte of storage, which is good. That front camera is 42 megapixels. And then also the back, you have a 50 megapixel wide angle, 48 megapixel wide angle, ultra wide angle I should say, and then a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. Bam. But I do like the overall color. I think this one is going to be the best color that you can get with this phone. So it has normal specs like IP68 water resistance. You can shoot 8K video with the rear, 4K at 60 in the front is the highest you can go on there. But let me go ahead and start this video, or actually pause the video, load up everything in here and get it going, and then come back with my first impressions. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I've been using it for a little bit. I want to just discuss two things too. It does come with Android 16 straight out of the box, but Google is promising 7 years of OS updates, so they're planning for you to have this phone for a while. And I love the display. Look how beautiful that display is. This Tensor chip is doing pretty good. The display looks really good on there. Everything's snappy and fast so far. I'm enjoying it a little bit so far, but you know, this is just the first impressions. Will that change? Probably so. And then we can discuss in later videos, is it worth it from upgrading from the Pixel 9 Pro XL to the 10 Pro XL? And we can have that discussion because there's not much of a difference between this phone and this phone. They have the newer chip, maybe some new camera lens and design there a little bit. The power button is a little bit different or in a different spot. It has the Pixel Snap in here, which is, you know, that's pretty neat for Android users not to have a case to have MagSafe on there. So it has a little bit of updates on there. We'll discuss that a little bit more, but I'm impressed with it so far. And we'll check out the cameras on here. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me, and I can definitely try to make them. But the one thing I'm going to say too is, Google, if you watch this video, make it where it is a matte finish on the rails there, man. I don't like the shiny rails. And then also let's work on the thickness, because if you look at it, it's almost as thick as my Z Fold 7 here, or just as thick as it is. So, I mean, it's a big phone now. It's sad to say that this is a big phone now too, because I've been using this for, you know, a month now. But I mean, look at it. It's taller than my Z Fold. It's a little bit wider, and then the thickness of it too. So stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to have more videos on this thing. I'm going to really get into it. I want to check out the cameras on here. And then also, bring the SIM card back. I don't want to transfer my main line to this phone to an eSIM, but I might do it. Right now it's on the secondary line, but I might bite the bullet on it and put it on the main line. But yeah, so far it's good. I mean, we're going to check out the battery life. We'll check out gaming on here with the new Tensor chip. We'll check out the cameras, you know, the normal things that we do. I have cases too. So, and then to all my Z Fold fans, if you're watching this video, I do have more cases for this beautiful phone too. So stay tuned. That is not over yet. We are in the reviewing process. And stay tuned. I have a lot of other videos coming out with this phone. But y'all let me know in the comments of what you want to see from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.